Հայտարարություն։ Ճակատագրական ճամփաբաժանի առջև։
Statement. Facing a crucial road junction. The Republic of Armenia is currently facing a crucial road junction. The coming months or perhaps weeks may become a period of major and irreversible losses for us Armenians. The talks over the so-called Armenian-Turkish era of peace are the most criminal political process in modern Armenian statehood. What is unacceptable is the deceit on the path leading to the proclaimed goal, not the proclaimed goal itself. Moreover, if the process develops, by not receiving anything, our entire nation may be in a homeland with a desecrated past, idle present, and no future. In this regard, there are a few observations. First, the Republic of Turkey has not de jure recognized the Republic of Armenia. In other words, from the perspective of international law, for Turkey, the Republic of Armenia does not exist as a legal entity. Second, there is no legal recognition because Turkey does not want to apply certain obligations arising from international law to Armenia. If Turkey is truly sincere in its aspiration to establish friendly and neighborly relations with Armenia, it must first and foremost de jure recognize the Republic of Armenia, establish diplomatic relations, and then consider signing any document. Third, the aim of Turkey is to enshrine the formulations border between Armenia and Turkey or Armenian-Turkish border in various political statements through which the so-called border, which is illegal and will emerge in consequence of occupation of Armenia, will be legitimized in the near future.
Զավթման հետևանքով առաջացած այսպես կոչված սահմանը։ 4. Թուրքերն այսօր Հայաստանի դավաճանական ղեկավարությունից
Fourth, today, the Turks are extorting from the treacherous authorities of Armenia statements and possibly documents through which, in the future, they might present all this, that is, the border between the former Soviet Socialist Republic and Turkey as the border between the Republic of Armenia and the Republic of Turkey and indirectly recognize that border. This stance of Turkey has nothing to do with the fact that the Republic of Armenia has never presented any demand to Turkey. Ankara understands well that the Armenian-Turkish de jure border has not been determined under a document of both sides. Consequently, it can't undergo change through a two-party document. The Turks simply want Armenia to renounce its own rights in exchange of nothing so that they can silence third countries in the future. Of course, at the same time, thanks to the authorities of the Republic of Armenia, the primary goal is to reduce the internationally recognized and legal boundaries of the Republic of Armenia to a great extent and to legitimize the new borders.
5. Այս բանակցություններով Թուրքիան Հայաստանի Հանրապետությունը դարձնում է դաշնակից.
Fifth, through these talks, Turkey is turning the Republic of Armenia into an ally in its fight against the interests of the Republic of Armenia. In other words, Armenia is gladly and voluntarily killing itself. Sixth, the Republic of Armenia is not controlling the so-called Armenian-Turkish border de facto, much less de jure. Under a number of Armenian-Russian documents, as well as certain multi-party documents of the Eurasian Economic Union, the so-called Armenian-Turkish border is under the control, not protection of Russia. This means that Armenia is not entitled to determine the working procedure of the checkpoints on the aforementioned border without annulment of, or at least amendment to those documents. Consequently, if the authorities of the Republic of Armenia are so concerned about presenting the protection of the interests of the citizens of third countries as a great success, yet this is not part of the obligations of the officials living at the expense of taxpayers of Armenia at all, then the only thing that is necessary is the signing of a tripartite interagency working document at the level of heads of departments of the relevant government agencies of Armenia and Turkey, and with the participation of representatives of the structures controlling the border. A document that will specify the working procedure of the Akhuryan-Dogukapi railway checkpoint and the Margara-Igdir overland checkpoint. Armenia's concessions to Turkey are absolutely unilateral. Armenia will actually not receive anything, even if Armenia is granted the right to transport cargo through the territory of Turkey free of charge. At the same time, Armenia's concession and unprecedented historical losses are irreversible, but what is allegedly achievable is reversible. At any moment and with any pretext, Turkey may close the checkpoints or establish a procedure that will be the equivalent to closure. However, Armenia's renunciation of its own territory by law will remain a fact forever. Russia, Turkey, and Azerbaijan will gain from this, while Armenia, Georgia, Iran, and India will lose. David Anhacht once said the following about another boundary. How can knowledge have a boundary when ignorance is boundless? Council of the National Democratic Alliance, 13th of July 2022, Yerevan.
Ազգային-Ժողովրդավարական Բևեռի խորհուրդ 13 հուլիսի 2022 թվական Երևան։
Բաժանորդագրվեք Ազգային-Ժողովրդավարական Բևեռի YouTube-յան ալիքին։